so last pack mojo. So let's put the hit in the back here. There. Alright. So we got Lakers dude there. Jawan Evans rookie. Kai Fielder. Nini. Eric Bledsoe. Nicholas Batum. Will Barton. So let's see who the hit is. Alright, so we got Zui Zubek, single color jersey card. So when I saw Lakers, I was just like, oh no, is it gonna be Alonzo Ball or like Brandon Ingram, somebody that's worth? But pretty cool. Lakers, the fan base is humongous, so might get somebody interested in that. But thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hey guys, welcome back, and here's going to be another video. I got 2017 and 18 NBA hoops. 88 cards in here. Looking at one hit, possibly an autograph from him. So look for some blaster exclusive NBA inserts, Rise and Shine, and Rookie Remembrance. So 8 cards, 11 packs. Let's see if we can get anything good out of here. This is from my granddad, and he got it off of wowzer.com. They sell a lot of stuff on Amazon, which they're kind of overpriced. So, like, I'm sure you guys can find a better deal out there, like on Dave and Adams or Steel City Collectibles, possibly an eBay seller. But this was a bonus. It was a Jordan Upper Deck Legend C card when he scored his 9th NBA scoring title. So that's going to be going in my UNC collection. That would be pretty cool having. So let's get into this blaster box. The man on here, I'm not, I guess not a fan, but I'm not a hater. I kind of like him. I respect him. Just his shot's ugly, but that's what everybody says. Just his dad. So that's why he has so much hate, because of his dad. Alright, we got 11 packs here. Hopefully we get something good out of here. If we don't, I'll be fine with that. This will be my first time opening up a blaster box. 2017, anything of basketball. So, pack 1. Right now I have kind of a sore throat, and my lips are dry, but I'm still in shape for doing videos. I think I said that in my previous video, but alright, got Parker, Andre Roberson, DJ Augustine, Morris, Tobias Harris, then Lights, Camera, Action, Miles Turner, then Jarrett Allen rookie, and Caleb Swagen, I think. Alright, this one's pretty thick. Let's see here. This one looks pretty thick, and I don't know. Let's just see. If I do get a hit, I'll just save it for last. I am kind of glad that Nike got to make the jerseys, but it's just they keep on ripping. That's what's the strange thing, why they keep doing that. Alright, so we got that dude, and then Joe Harris, I don't know his name, Vince Carter, yeah, for my Tar Heels PC, and then got a Nicholas Batum blue, not numbered. He is no longer on the Hornets, he is on the Pelicans, I think. J.R. Smith, a Kobe Bryant career tribute card, pretty cool. We got a Frank This dude, I think, is going to be pretty good. So that's a pretty cool rookie there. Really glad I got a Vince Carter. I love getting Vince Carter stuff. So we got Trevor Booker, Wiggins, Darren Collison, Dirk Nowitzki, and Porzingis lights camera action insert, Jahlil Okafor, James Harden, and a Kobe Bryant career tribute. So those are pretty cool inserts. I'm not Kobe's biggest fan, but gotta respect one of the greatest players to play in basketball. So Ron Baker, Eric Gordon, Spates, Paul Millsap, that dude, and then I can't pronounce his name. I don't know his name, but blue border, not numbered. Jonathan Isaac rookie, Kyle Korver. There we go. I think it might be just rookies for the hits. Possibly vets. Curse, Dellavedova, Jonathan Simmons, Kelly Oubre Jr., SWAT team, Son Whiteside. Nice. Alonzo Ball rookie. Nice stuff. Cool. I like Alonzo Ball. Well, no. I respect him, but really nice rookie to get. Nick Young. So, really glad I got a Alonzo Ball rookie. I don't think it's worth much, but it's pretty cool to have. That was easy to open up. Alrighty. Got Raptors dude. DeAndre Jordan. Pistons guy. Kings guy. Oh. Faces of the Future, Frank Jackson. Malik Monk. Nice rookie there. Darren Fox rookie. Nice. Sean Livingston. I mean, getting pretty good rookies. They got Fox and Ball. Monk. I don't think he's been that good lately. But my favorite team is the Hornets. I'm wanting to go to a Hornets game sometime this year. I would like to go to a Bucks game. Bobby Portis, Napier, Cody Zeller, Trevor Harris, Kent Blasmore, Aaron Gordon, Zero Gravity insert, Tristan Thompson, Holmes for the Sixers. Can't wait to see what the hit is. We got 3 more packs left. I hope it's an auto, but I'll be fine with the jersey card anyway. But autos are easier to protect if they're not thick. We got Hollis Jefferson, Karl Anthony Towns, Noah, that dude on the Pacers, George Hill Blue Bortle, then Kobe Bryant tribute card there, sweet stuff. Got a Ferguson rookie. So that might have the hit. So let's try this one. This one doesn't feel that thick, but try to save the hit for last. Gibson, Victor Oladipo, Kemba, nice Kemba there. Got a Shaq, Heat insert. That's pretty cool. I've seen a couple people get that. So, class of 2017, Zach Collins. I think he was on Gonzaga. I don't know. His name sounds familiar, like he was on Gonzaga. So we got Sixers dude. I've heard of that guy. Thorwell rookie. So pretty cool Shaq stuff. This stuff ain't bad for hoops. You get a lot of inserts. Get a ton of good rookies. So Serge Ibaka, Austin Rivers, Paul dude, Tyreek Evans, Gilchrist, Shaq insert for 2K18. It's pretty cool. Dario Saric and Zaza Pachulia. I think his name is Pachulia. Alright, so this should have the hit. It feels like there's jersey card. I don't know how thick this stuff is for jerseys wise. So